Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to put music on CapCut. To get started, launch CapCut. Import your project on the timeline. Here you can see at the bottom of the screen, audio option. Click on it and tap on sounds option. Here you can add music from TikTok, your own music folder, or even CapCut provides some music. So now we are gonna choose one song in order to add music to the video. Let's add this for now. Select audio and split it as per you need, and you are done. Preview your video, and that is how easily you can put music on videos using CapCut.
If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.